Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to prioritize tasks on teamwork.com, your ultimate guide for 2025. First up, log into your teamwork.com account and head over to your project dashboard. This is where you'll see all the tasks that need to be done. We start here because it's essential to have a clear overview of your workload. Now let's move to the next step. Click on the Tasks tab at the top, then select List View. This helps us because it shows all tasks in a detailed list, making it easier to prioritize. Thirdly, sort your tasks. You can do this by clicking on the Sort button and selecting by priority. The reason we do this is to bring the most critical tasks to the top, helping us to focus on what's most important first. Next up, assign a priority level for each task. To do this, click on the task, then select a priority level from the drop-down menu. We do this because it allows us to visually distinguish between high, medium, and low priority tasks. Finally, reevaluate your tasks regularly. This might not seem like a concrete step, but trust me, it's crucial. Regularly updating your task priorities according to changes in your project ensures you're always working on what matters most. So there you have it. Prioritizing tasks on teamwork.com is as simple as logging in, sorting your tasks, assigning priority levels, and regularly reevaluating. Remember, clear priorities lead to streamlined work processes and improved productivity. Thanks for tuning in today, and until next time, stay organized and keep prioritizing.